Hi everyone and welcome to a new video from Tech Updates. In this video I'm using AI to see what the Windows 11 logo would actually look like when it's full, because currently it looks like it's actually cut from the bottom. And using this technology, I'm just, let's say, trying to find out what would happen here. I just, let's say, expanded the canvas area, and then now here I'm asking it please to fill it in automatically. Just AI trying to guess what that area would actually have. And so a few moments later, while waiting for it to load and think and process the image, we can see here in a few moments we have three options. This is the first one. If I click on the second one, it looks like this, and the third one like that. Actually, I personally find the last one, the third one, to be kind of, let's say, most working, let's say, with the shape. The first one looks not bad, but it kind of looks like really scaled down. The second one looks also, I mean, it depends on your taste, on what you think, what you feel it's best. Let me know what you think about this. And if you want me to make other videos, try to discover what AI will provide us in terms of possibilities in order to find what actually images would look like if they were expanded. Thank you everyone for watching, and see you in the next video.